Hello viewers, ever thought of how a computer programming language works? How it commands computers to perform specific tasks within few lines of coding? Well, today we'll discuss about programming language and how it works in this episode. Let's get started. A computer programming language works by providing a set of instructions that a computer can execute to perform specific tasks. Here's a step-by-step overview of how a programming language operates, from writing the code to executing it. 1. Writing the code. Programmers write code using a programming language in a human-readable form. This code contains a series of instructions, known as source code, which define the program's behavior. 2. Syntax and semantics. Each programming language has its own syntax, rules for how code must be written, and semantics, the meaning of the code. Syntax ensures that code follows the correct structure, while semantics ensure that the code performs the intended actions. 3. Compilation or interpretation. Depending on the programming language, the source code is either compiled or interpreted. Compilation. Compiler. A compiler translates the entire source code into machine code, binary code that the computer's processor can execute before the program runs. Executable file. The output of the compilation is an executable file, example .x in Windows, that can be run directly by the operating system, example C, C++, and Rust. Interpretation. Interpreter. An interpreter translates and executes the source code line by line at runtime. No intermediate file. There is no intermediate executable file. The source code itself is executed by the interpreter. Example, Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. Hybrid approach. Just-in-time compilation, JIT. Some languages use a combination of both compilation and interpretation. The source code is first compiled into an intermediate form, which is then executed by an interpreter. Example, Java, where the source code is compiled into bytecode, which is then executed by the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. 4. Execution. Machine code execution. The compiled machine code or interpreted instructions are executed by the computer's central processing unit, CPU. Memory management. During execution, the program utilizes the computer's memory, RAM, to store data, variables, and intermediate results. Input-output operations. The program may perform input-output operations, such as reading data from a file, displaying information on the screen, or interacting with the network. 5. Runtime environment. Libraries and frameworks. Programs often rely on external libraries and frameworks to provide additional functionality, such as handling complex mathematical operations, managing graphical user interfaces, GUIs, or accessing databases. Runtime errors. During execution, programs may encounter errors, example, dividing by zero, accessing invalid memory, that need to be handled appropriately to prevent crashes or unexpected behavior. 6. Development tools. Integrated development environment. IDE developers often use IDEs, which provide a suite of tools to write, test, debug, and compile code efficiently. Debuggers. Debugging tools help developers find and fix errors in the code by allowing them to inspect the program's state at various points during execution. 7. Optimization and performance. Optimization. Compilers and interpreters can optimize the code to improve performance, such as reducing the execution time or minimizing memory usage. Profiling. Developers can use profiling tools to analyze the performance of their programs and identify bottlenecks. A computer programming language allows developers to write instructions that can be translated into machine code, which a computer can execute. The process involves writing code, compiling or interpreting it, executing the machine code, managing resources, and using various development tools to ensure the program works efficiently and correctly. With that said, if you like this episode, please do hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more content updates.